Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to edit your website header in WordPress using Elementor in 2025. So whether you want to change the logo, menu or colors, you can just do it in just a few simple steps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, when you log in into your account, you need to make sure that you have the Elementor plugin installed. If it is not installed here in your WordPress admin dashboard, you can first of all go to the plugin section and click on the option of add plugin. Over here, you can search for Elementor and then you can activate the Elementor plugin here in your WordPress dashboard. Now once this step is done, you need to now hover over to the Elementor, and over here you need to just take a look at the template option. And as you can see, currently we don't have template option over here, so you can just simply hover over to the left hand section and here you will see template. So in the template, simply select the option of theme builder. So it is going to redirect you here on this page where you will see the option of header here, or you can also click on the option of header here in the left hand section. Now you can see for yourself that it is the premium option for Elementor, so you need to click on the upgrade button. After that, you need to sign up for the Elementor plan. Their popular plan, which is their advanced solo plan, is going to cost you $6.99 per month, so you can buy this one. And after selecting the plan, once you have purchased it, if you come here on this page, this header option will be unlocked. So you can select this option and click on the option of edit. After that, you can add the header and you can click on the logo option in order to replace the logo, and you can customize it in whichever manner you like. So as I said earlier, it is a paid option, so you will have to first of all purchase the Elementor Pro. Only then you will be able to do it with the help of Elementor. If you want to change the header without Elementor, I can create a new video for you, but for this purpose you will have to do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.